tagal ko nang hindi nakakain ng dinuguan. It's been long time. Let's try this. Pag nagdinuguan ako, be, maasim. It's so good, be. Ang sarap niya. But since we don't have, laman loob, it's pork. It's pork dinuguan. It's so good. Sabi ko kanila Hadassah at Hana lasang sinigang. So, sana, hopefully they'll eat it. The adobo, be. Ang sarap. Ang linamnam, be. Let's eat. My favorite, be. It reminds us of our kabataan. Dip natin sa ketchup. Kain tayo. Dinuguan. Ang preparation na dito is 25. Ngayon ay 24, but tomorrow yung pagkain for 25, be. Christmas. Let's eat! Kain tayo! Ipapatry ko rin sa kiddies kay David to, be. Bigyan natin si David.
Is it black?
Asa Dada is asking why is it black. I told her try it. It tastes like sinigang. Come
Why
on, let's
is it
eat.
black?
Try it first. I cannot take a video of you like that. So, just this. Sarap, no? It's hot. Be careful. Tastes like sinigang. Anna will try a taste test. Please don't put ketchup. Just that. First. Be careful, ah. Eh, hindi na muna titikman daw ni Hana kasi nagdududo siya kulay itim. Oh, it's so sarap. I missed it so much, babe. Let's taste test. Oh my gosh. I love it because it's so sour. At least maasim. May ganito kasi ba na hindi maasim, di ba? Ang sarap, nakakami, sobra. This is just pork kasi wala akong laman loob, eh. So good. Let's eat.
Secret dessert.
One more kasi sa sarap with chili, with sili. Sobrang sarap. Super, the best. Nakakamiss yung dinuguan. Alala ko si nanay, si mother.
Beautiful friends, I'll try dinuguan for the first time.
Yay! Ang kapalit is labubu so that you can open her labubu box. Try it, Hana. Yummy.
Today?
Tastes like sinigang, right?
Open it today?
Thumbs up. Yay! Tomorrow.
Oh,
So, Hadassah can Hadassah will try dinuguan for the first time. Okay, here she will try it. This is their favorite and this is my favorite. Kain muna tayo.